Hi guys, this is Sasha again coming to you with another video. Today is Thursday the 23rd of July 2020 and I just want to share some super news with you again guys. You know, the StockX opportunity does in fact work. So if there's anybody out there who is doubting if StockX does pay, because I've gotten that question posed to me before, do you actually get paid with StockX? Yes, you do. And guys, you do not have to wait until you get $50 to cash out. I'm going to repeat myself. You do not have to wait until you get $50 to cash out. All you have to do is set up your auto payout with either PayPal or Bitcoin, and then you will get your payouts with PayPal or Bitcoin, whichever you prefer, periodically. So guys, I love to get paid with crypto. I love Bitcoin. So as you can see here, I got a payment of $10 on the 19th of July 2020. I got my payment and you can see my Bitcoin balance, my BTC balance of $10.28. So guys, StockX is in fact paying. What I urge you to do is go into your StockX back office, set up your auto payouts with either PayPal or Bitcoin so you can get your payouts periodically and you do not have to wait until you get $50 to cash out. So guys, let me quickly show you that email. In fact, it was 2 emails that I got. Hello Sasha Warner, congratulations, we just paid your payout to your Bitcoin. It is very important that you check your PayPal ID or your Bitcoin wallet address to make sure that it is up to date in your StockX payout profile. Auto payouts are sent automatically. If your details are wrong, your payout will be lost and we will not be able to send to you again. So if you use Bitcoin and your Bitcoin wallet in your StockX account does not match your real Bitcoin wallet, you may not receive your payout. So please ensure to double check your Bitcoin wallet address. So guys, if you want to get paid with PayPal or Bitcoin, all you have to do is just go into your back office, into StockX, and set it up. So let me just see if I can quickly show you that other email, guys. So auto payout, notification of auto payout. So this is to confirm an automatic payout was successfully transferred to you. The amount of $10 was sent to you. To see the details of your transfer, sign into your StockX account and click on payout history under the balance transfer in the menu. So guys, super duper news is here. I paid out, I got my payout with StockX. So guys, if you have any question as to whether StockX pays, you don't need to worry. It is working. You do get your payouts, but what I do suggest is that you make sure that you set up your payouts with PayPal or Bitcoin. And guys, I want to say another thing. Make sure that you verify your email and you verify your mobile phone number to get those payouts, because if you don't verify your email as well as your mobile phone number, you will not be able to get your payouts sent to you, and you don't want to have any problems getting those payouts. So just make sure that you set up your payouts in your StockX back office. So guys, if you want to sign up with me, follow a leader, definitely I'm leaving the link for you in the description. Use my referral ID 50349490. When you create your free publishers account, verify your email, verify your mobile phone number, click on ads, and cash out with PayPal or Bitcoin. So guys, with that said, see you on the next video and definitely connect with me. You will definitely get paid and get paid with StockX. So use my referral ID 50349490. So with that guys, see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye bye.